Well, I'm on my way to an interview. I need this job, I'm overdue. Luck's gotta change, I need to pay the rent. Well, I brushed my teeth and combed my hair, found out the job's no longer there, and here I was with my money already spent. Well, I'm a day late and a dollar short. Before too long I'll end up in court. A day late and a dollar short. Here I was on my way, I was trying to set things right. Then I found out to my dismay, I ain't gonna eat tonight. I was on my way to this interview. I needed this job, I'm overdue, but I'm a day late and a dollar short. If it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. I'm gonna end up on the road with my clothes in the garbage bag. Maybe I'll rob me a liquor store, or I'll end up on a slab. I needed this job just to pay the rent. My luck's all bad, there's nothing heaven sent, and I'm a day late and a dollar short. My luck's gotta change, I need to pay the rent. My luck's run dry, I don't have one red cent. I'm a day late and a dollar short. Here I was on my way, I was trying to set things right. Then I found out to my dismay, I ain't gonna eat tonight. I was on my way to this interview. I needed this job, I'm overdue, but I'm a day late and a dollar short. That's right.
We got a little tune now about Creative Commons. For all you folks out there who want to give stuff away. Something of Elvis with a like, I'm pretty sure. It goes like this. You got the CC by and C and D, CC by and D, and then the CC by and C and C, CC by and C. It gets quite the CC in a way, but that's the world we live in. So you CC by, cause the CY is a gift that keeps on giving. Well, that's what Victor Stone says. He says, you got the CC by.
La patente! Io c'ho questo! No, quella non è la patente!
Ah, ma dove lo metti va bene, dai!
Mi si fanno i soldi con sta patente?
Volendo,
Volendo?
Let's try it again. You got CC by and C and D, CC by